Hi, everybody. My name is Alane Freund, and I'm in California, and I'm here with my friend.
Hi, I'm Sage Lewis, and I'm in Prescott, Arizona. And I'm here with my friend.
You were just telling me about this quote about welcoming everything, which kind of makes my skin crawl. But can you tell us a little bit about where that comes from?
Yeah, I was listening to Frank Ostaseski, and he was the founder of the Zen Hospice in San Francisco. And I'm taking a course that he's leading. And last night he was sharing this phrase, welcome everything, push away nothing. And what I've been playing with, and this is very fresh for me, I've heard the phrase before, but as I play with it, what I notice is this sense of groundedness, relaxing, and non-attachment that feels amazing. In other words, whatever's showing up, that's what's showing up. I can't really do much about what's showing up other than how I respond to what's showing up. So although I may not like that this happened or this was said this way or this wasn't said this way, this is what's happening. So that's been a great tool, and it's a new tool for me. So I'm excited to share it and to keep working with it.
Giving us reports on it.
Right.
I think for me, if I want to welcome everything and push away nothing, I need to be doing my personal work. I need to be clean and, you know, I'm in therapy, for example, and having a place to process my stuff that comes up and to continually work on my self-care and to be in a more optimal level of arousal. Because I'll tell you, when I'm in my best self, I can totally welcome everything and push away nothing. But when I'm stressed and overwhelmed and exhausted and hurt, all those things that I could easily get to, then all of a sudden that feels impossible.
Yeah, it flips
So
around. Push away everything and welcome nothing.
totally. Okay, so here's the question for folks. If you see this video somewhere on social media or wherever, can you please tell us what you think about welcome everything, push away nothing, and when do you welcome nothing and push away everything? What gets you to that point? And we'll try to respond and let us know what your questions are about that. So thanks so much, Sage. I'm really happy that we're able to have this conversation.
Yeah, thank you. Me too.
More to come.